Ghana ya yema penyi dada John Agyekum Kufuor akansem bi ama kyese akakoma na owo ho ansa na oka asem abusiafo nkanisio ebe pramo pa no mo na omwetwehye mu ewo bia no na obia pepa ni na yese asem no heart touching, heartfelt, kakuma. I won't say asem we ya mampenyi dada John Agyekum Kufuor no nokwe yi papa na nsem na oka ni nyina no na oka de ato Ghana fo nyina wa wotie memi amete ha ene obi biara na afei so aban no ene obi ana oka de ato menim se omunsusu hu yie na omunfa enye adwuma na ye nyina ni se former president John Agyekum Kufuor obi abebu o man Ghana wabechichiro o man Ghana da nkofo bebre na pena asem sanse yesesa apepe nyansa pa egu nitirimu no enye asemketo obebu o man Ghana da a oye MPP for one of the founding members of the New Patriotic Party just enye asemketo na ebusiafo according to John Agyekum Kufuor wa onim ni bia na se wa utie me se onim ye former president dia bo se onante sebi otna wheelchair mu ena de bia anti program bi obeko bia na otna wheelchair mu ni epiana na se okọ na ebusiafo enya asenketwa na ya former president John Agyekum Kufuor ekwetna ase e program bi ase ma na kwenya se ombekasa no ena odi tu dwa se 10 years ago senka obi ka chere ne se John Agyekum Kufuor obetena wheelchair mu anase wuntimi nanti bioma enka onji sa nipa no enye den endi enko beka se nipa no oyotrofo anase nipa no empe niye entina okasa na so ene a whole former president of Ghana esna wheelchair mu de eno no okase aban we eba so na Nana Kufuor ado aban eba so no omo they were concentrating more on persons with disabilities they even build centers or mesisi bia they are more and they are focusing more on them or say yepa and next society na ye wo mu no se uyo bia na nse bi o nsa ba ko enye aye twefi na onan enye na webusiafo eni sky ya na wasem de mobo pa enti asem a o kanyina ne se Ghana for yema yeni eye de enko persons with disabilities won se onu ene former president John Agyekum Kufuor eti wheelchair mu dia na ebetimi esi ewo bia na brabo mu enti se oya ban na obaso a sa stigmatization no ebi obi eni efra be ne Ghana okọ Ghana bebre na kro bebre so ewo man Ghana mu dia areho pa especially mo mutimi nante bono mutino mo sresra de na je se Ghana enkofo efi omo busiafo we he ene sanse no se areho na asefim se entowa da because unim de beto ochina unim de besi ochina anka wan na nim se former president John Agyekum Kufuor ebetina wheelchair mu obi a waye campaign wo Ghana wakọ aba na waye de ka ho ne osi wheelchair mu de bo se ai wiase a ye wo mu no sa wiase no enda hokwa ebibi ebetime de atobi enunti ena obo mampanyi abaso ono ne party ni na Nana Kufuor ado ebo na baso se an waye ade pa se they are focusing more on people with disabilities na ebeboa o man Ghana send as stigmatization e bo ne na ye ne ya ne saye ne nya ne sebu ntimi hu ade bi o se o ye seri imbecile ana se o ye ha sa gofo ni bia se bi o Ghana for be na friend o mujimi na ya poor we don't pay attention to them they are also human being omunso moja any yefene say insuo any dey funsane ewo mu sometimes e hu o ma we should give them that love that they need attention no mu hia no we should give them say because omunso omo ye nipa ene because ono ene wanwa ye pushi no mema kentinka ene pia no ewo wheelchair mu ansana wetimi akọ baby anase wetimi ayedia obeye ebusiafo asem no kre ka akoma na afenso edem utia besumiti asano I am our host and I'm saying my for so entisa heartfelt message former president John Agyekum Kufuor the etudwa entimengi kan nesem ne kakra about kopiemu ewujumedi na se former president John Agyekum Kufuor has called for a more inclusive society for persons living with disabilities. If you are living with a disability, that doesn't mean you are not capable and now untimi enye and you say the society no we should make sure and correct it. We should make inclusive society for persons with disabilities. According to him, disability can affect anyone, regardless of wealth or education. Hey, na President Kufuor, our president of Ghana, and he is disabled, Oscar, or educated. Or no catch a Ghana phone, maybe a drum someone da Ghana phone in a bed. And so he's living with disability, ain't a day, ain't Anna, they are living with disability, and boy, Essan said, a baby atom. I'm speaking at the inaugural disability convention hosted by the John Agyekum Kufuor Foundation. Kufuor reflected on his experience, stating that he could never have imagined a decade ago that he would one day rely on a wheelchair, or say he'd never, of course, who would ever, why not bet doing so on one day or bet now wheelchair me? It hasn't come to mind, but it can happen to me as well. Look at me today. Kufuor said, if someone has said 10 years ago that I would be in a wheelchair today, perhaps he would have been disputed and damned as a false prophet. But this prophecy is a reality today. I'm in a wheelchair, and I cannot walk. I need about 4, 5, 6 hefty men to be pushing me around like a baby. That was so heartfelt. He urged for greater acceptance and integration of people with disabilities, highlighting the importance of embracing diversity and developing tolerance for all individuals. We cannot afford to leave any segment of our society behind. Kufuor added, we must appreciate our differences and our individual challenges and work towards integrating everyone as an integral part of the human race. Or say we should make sure say everybody is included, whether you are disabled or you are able or you are whatever. No, we should include a society. We should live in a society, and I said there should be a society that includes everybody. Say omo nine edwane omo muni nine so omo te go che so omo say o say omo so omo timi edwane so obi a ne nie fra na obejimedi ase na o pa kwenya so obekasa ye ma ne nkasa o the idea ba ye je entum e bia ne ni fro na so sebio na adwe no entochima na adwe eye ejuma pepepe it was so no eno bi ka kire no emfie bi etwem 10 years ago say President Kufuor o ba betina wheelchair mu anko be ka say o your trofo you a false prophet now so ene o te wheelchair mu ade say go for 5 6 any piano and san wetimi akọ baby a ọkọ eti o say Ghana or my Ghana you everybody is included ma ye every persons with disabilities so now you focusing more on people every part of our body is functioning better no then we should focus more on everybody because this was so heartfelt, and I think this has been something on the heart of the former president John Agyekum Kufuor for a while now. Do you believe and agree with him? Do you side with what the former president John Agyekum Kufuor is telling us? What his heart is telling Ghanaians? And for comments, no, comment section. Namijebre and Kenkai Emo Ghana tips unye and a mamodofo snowy menso mini Elsia for and Eddie Macramo.